In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of editing videos using just your smartphone and CapCut app in the next few minutes. What I'm about to show you right now is the foundation of video editing on CapCut. So there is no need for expensive softwares, there is no need for laptop, and there is no need for experience. So even if you are not familiar with video editing, then this video will get you started, because we are going to be starting with importing of your videos, trimming your videos, removing mistakes, adding background sound, adding transition, and many more. And these are what you are going to learn after watching this video. So if this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome to the community. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video, because on this channel I teach about content creation, YouTube growth, AI tools, and many more. All right, so without wasting much time, let's go straight. To get started, the first thing that you have to do is to launch the CapCut app. If you have not downloaded the CapCut app, you can do that by going straight to your Play Store on Android, or you can go to App Store on your Apple device to download the CapCut. And once you download the app and you install it, this is how the interface is going to look like when you launch it. All right, so we are going to click on the plus sign here, which is new video. And then when you click on it, it is going to bring up your phone gallery. There you can be able to select the videos that you want to edit. So I'm just going to tap on one video, and then you can click on add. And then it is going to bring up the editing dashboard. So I can just stretch it, and then we delete the last one here. So the first thing that you have to do after importing your footage is to trim the footage, all right, especially the beginning and the end. So you see from the beginning of this video here, YouTube has introduced a new feature. Okay, so from the time that I switched on the camera, I have to cut that place out. And you can do that by just dragging from the end of that video. All right, then I will do the same thing at the end. You click on the video, you make sure you select the video, then you drag it close, and that is how you trim your videos. Okay, so this is how it is going to look like after trimming it. YouTube has introduced a new feature that you can use. All right, so that is how to trim your videos. This will help you to remove mistakes, remove any kind of delays along the line. So if in case you want to take off a particular mistake that you did in that video, you are going to navigate the video to find a particular place where the mistake is. This option here that says split, and then it is going to split the video into two. There you can be able to stretch, close this, and then close this one too, to be able to take off the mistake. Another way, you can just select the video. After you've split it, you go straight like this, then you click on split again, and then you stretch the video. You tap on that particular place that you did the mistake, then you click on delete, and that video will be deleted. Then now you can play it. You see? So after splitting the video into two and taking off the mistake, then what you have to apply is transition. You have to apply transition, because that is what leads the video from one topic to the other. So if you want to add transition, you see between the splits, the other video that we have splitted, you just click on this white sign here, and it's going to bring up the different types of transition effects on CapCut. So we are going to choose pulling. That is the one I normally use the most, zoom, snap, and pulling. It's very nice, you see. or you can try the zoom snap. Okay, you see. So let me use the pull-in radar. You can go ahead and experiment with any transition at all. Okay, just feel free and explore. Now let's test the transition and see how it is going to look like. You see, that is how to add transition. All right, so right now I've shown you how to trim your videos, how to remove mistakes, and then how to add transition. The next thing that I want to show you is how to add your caption and your background music. So let's go straight and do that. To add your caption, first of all, you need to add the title of your channel, just like the way that I do here on this channel. When you look at the top here, you see the name of this channel. That is the one that I usually add first. So for example, the name of this channel is Rambo Technology. So what I do, how I add it is that, let me start. You just go ahead and select text, and then add text. Then from the top here, you can add your text, and then you can, resize it the way that you want. Then you position it at the top of your video. You can either put it on the left or you can put it at the right, whichever one that is cool for you. Then the next thing is for us to change the color of the text. Now I am going to choose from the template here. I'll just go ahead and use the red and white text. That's red background and white text, because that is what most people use for their YouTube name. They will resize it a little to make it a little bit tiny. Then now what we have to do, you see, YouTube has introduced. Now we have the channel title at the top. But if you find out, you see, when you play the video across where the text is, it will automatically disappear from the top. So now you have to click on that text, then you stretch it to the end of your video so that it will be showing throughout the whole video section. You see, so now the text has been added. Next thing is for you to add your caption. So to add your caption is very simple. You go ahead and click on text, then we click on caption right here. So from here we can be able to select the text that we want to use for the caption. Then I will choose this one here. Then we click on generate. Let us wait for some few minutes and the caption will be generated. So guys, whilst this caption is generating, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video so that more people will get to see the video. And behold, the caption is ready. All we have to do right now is just resize it, make it a little bit smaller. Okay? So that it wouldn't disrupt the video. All right? So let's play the video and see. YouTube has introduced a new feature that you can use to get over 1,000 subscribers. Wow, our video is already looking great. So the last thing that we have to add right now is the sound, the background sound. And to do that, you just go ahead and tap on audio. Then you click on sounds. Then you click on here, this folder. It is going to bring up your phone's folder. Then you click on device. This is the ones you can either click select from here, and then you'll be able to get your sound from your files, the ones in your phone, your iCloud drive, or you can click on iTunes so that you can get it from the ones from your iTunes. Yeah, so we'll just go ahead and look for the sound that is suitable for this content. If you click on this plus, then your sound will be added. but we have to reduce the volume of the sound so that it will not disrupt the original presentation. So what I will do is I will select the sound like this, then click on volume, then I'll reduce it to at least 15% is perfect for your background sound. I will even make it 10%. Okay, then now we have to increase the volume of the video itself so that it wouldn't disrupt with the background sound. I will reselect the video, then I will raise the volume like this. Now we have added the background sound, we have increased the volume of the video itself, and everything looks perfect. Okay, this is exactly how to edit your video. Now you can see the sound is longer than the video, so when you reach there, you just select the sound, click on split, then you delete the other one from there, and that's it. Everything should be the same line. Okay, now all we have to do is watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you make sure that there is no mistakes before exporting your videos. First of all, you click on the AI UHD so that you'll be able to set the settings that you want to export your video. Okay, then you turn this off. You make sure that your video is on 10/80, then the frame rate should be on 30, the mbps should be on 10, and that's all you need. You click on export and your video will be exported immediately. From there, you can be able to upload it to your YouTube, but always make sure you watch from the beginning to the end so that if there is any mistake, then you just go back to your CapCut, correct the mistakes, and re-upload your video. And that is how I edit viral videos just within few minutes. So guys, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to get sound without copyright, sounds that will not give you copyright. I'm going to go deeper on how to edit your video. Some things I couldn't show you in this video because I don't want to make the video too long. All right, so if this is what you are interested in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that whenever I drop, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.